I just want to review this Camire watercoloring markers I received as a gift from the brand. First of all, they come in this super cute case that keeps them all organized. I got the 80 color pieces. It's like a durable case where they come in, so it's nice that you keep everything in here organized, and when you're done coloring, you can just put it away. And look at all the colors. And then I'll get one. And so they come with the brush tip and then the fine tip, which is nice. You don't have to use these just for coloring. They're good for calligraphy as well. Most of the time, the colors do match the color on the lid. So they are water-based, non-toxic. They have vibrant colors when you color. They do bleed a little bit through the paper, so usually when I'm coloring I put a thicker paper on the bottom just to make sure it doesn't bleed through the next page. But I'm gonna show some of the colors in with my coloring book.